Good morning, Alexus, love, beauties, and flawless man. Reading from our daily bread in Matthew chapter 5, verses 8. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Lord, my youngest daughter is the sweetest person I've ever met. Sometimes I can't believe she belongs to us. She loves every person and thing down to ladybugs and daddy long legs. And she radiates goodness and loving kindness wherever we go. I know that she'll grow up and change a little at least, but these beautiful early years are such a blessing. Please walk with me as I help to protect her spirit as she learns about the world and find her place in it. I know she will love you as I do and rely on you for strength and courage to be herself. Going back up into the reading in Matthew chapter 5, verses 8, blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. When you are pure in heart, a pure heart means it doesn't matter what you endure in this life. It can be life-threatening. It can be good. It can be bad. You could have lived you could have lived a life that has been full of surprises, and it just seems like nothing has never worked. You could have lived a complicated life. Thank you, Jesus. You all know I'd be fooling off because I was really trying to think of the word for real now. But you could have lived a whole complicated life for the last 30, 40 years. And no matter what has been going on, you still chose to fight. You still chose to love. You still chose to try again. You still chose not to give up. No matter how difficult life has become, you remain pure in heart. So you didn't let those things affect your heart. Your heart may have been broken. You may have been damaged, but you still give from a loving place. You still compliment people and not out of jealousy. You still love people. You still give hugs. You're still praying. Blessed are the pure in heart. I know it's kind of hard to still be pure in heart when things are going on and, people have their problems, but it's just something about a person that when they have a pure heart, they're always going to have a pure heart. And it doesn't matter what is going on. They will still know how to treat others the way that they want to be treated, even if, come on, Jesus, even if you're not being treated fairly, you will still treat others with love because you have a pure heart, for they shall see God. Now, we know there's some other things that comes along with it, but having a pure heart is one of those things. We have to ask the Lord to create in us a clean heart and renew the right spirit within us. And when he does that, then we're good to go. So we're working on our heart. All of the work that we're doing, all of the healing that we're doing, all of the changing our lives that we're doing is in turn, it's changing our heart. It's making us become a better person with a great heart, a pure heart. Going back down to the testimony in the person, they said, Lord, my youngest daughter is the sweetest person I ever met. Sometimes I can't believe she even belongs to this family. I mean, she loves everything, from every human to every little insect that you created. She is just one of the most beautiful and brilliant persons I've ever seen. And I know that one day she'll grow up and she'll get older and she'll do different things. But Lord, I want you to continue to help her to always be pure in heart. So that's a little bit about what the person in her testimony was saying, that, Lord, please walk with me and help me to protect her spirit as she learns the world and she find her place in it. As a parent, that is our number one task, to train a child in the way they should go. And when they get older, they will never depart from God. So she's asking the Lord that with this pure heart that our daughter has, the way she's loving, she's kind, she's gentle. Come on, Jesus. She want to do whatever it is that she can do. She want to continue and pray and ask the Lord that he continues to bless her, even when she gets older, to protect her spirit. So she's asking God to help her to protect her daughter's spirit, to remain pure in heart as she is as a child. Now, she's aware that when she grows up, she's going to do some dating, going to have some friends. She might get her heart broken, but she always wants her daughter to remain pure in heart. She said, I know she will love you as I do and rely on you for strength and courage to be herself. Absolutely. We need the strength and the courage to live in this world and go through these trials and tribulations. And these things do not torment our heart, that we do not harden our heart. So Alexus, a beauties and flawless man, when you get time today, I encourage you to read Matthew chapter 5, verses 8. And just know that we live in this world, but we don't want to be of this world. We want to have a pure heart and love everyone equally. I love you. God bless you. Have a fantastic Wednesday.